Yo mama! Yo mama's so stupid! She tried to solve Jigsaw!
Wanna play a game?
Yes! I love puzzles!
Okay. You have exactly 90 seconds to find the key. The key is hidden in...
How many pieces?
Huh?
Oh, is it a 1,000 piece?
I don't understand.
Don't be stupid! Here, help me finish the kitty cat puzzle first.
Oh, I love kitties. This is actually kind of fun.
Yo mama's so evil. When family game night was solved.
Hello, Brody. Wanna play a game?
No, not happening.
You're going directly to jail.
Oh man, come on.
Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. You'll have 30 seconds to roll a double. Each time you fail, you have to saw off one of your limbs.
Oh, yo mama's so strict. She wouldn't let Jigsaw play any games. Hey, what's going on?
Hello, Brody. Wanna play a game? Ow! What was that for? Oh, but I wanna play now. Fine.
Phew, that was close. Hey, wait. Can someone let me out of here? Hello? Yo mama's so stupid. She thought Deadpool was a swimming pool for zombies.
We're trying this again? I hope I sound a little less feminine. Hey, watch out! Can't have you getting bitten when I'm on lifeguard duty. Wait, shouldn't I be on dead guard duty?
Yo mama's so smart. Her brain could feed an entire zombie apocalypse.
Coral, those walkers are dying to get to her. Dying, Coral!
Yo mama's so stupid. Zombies walked past her because they didn't smell any brains.
Coral, we have to remove your brain. It's the only way. I did it myself, Coral.
Yo mama's so fat. She fed an entire zombie apocalypse.
They ate the whole left side of her body, Coral. She's all right now. All right, Coral.
Yo mama's so ugly. When she went into a haunted house, she came out with a job application.
Oh God, what is that thing?
Mama's so stupid. She thought a serial killer was trying to kill her cereal.
No! No!
Yes. Yes.
No! Not my cereal!
Huh?
Please don't kill my cereal! You can do anything you want with the milk!
Yo mama's so stupid. She thought Club Penguin was a game where you club Penguins! Damn it, I'm banned for 3 days? What am I supposed to do with my time? Your mama's so fat! She didn't fit in the upside down! Yo mama? So stupid. She thought Slender Man was a workout program.
Time to get slim! Woo! I can really feel the stretch.
Yo mama's so fat. When she plays Hello Neighbor, she takes up the entire neighborhood.
Soviet Russia. In America, Pat Kid chasing ice cream truck. In Soviet Russia, ice cream truck chases Pat Kid.
Hey, wanna trade licks? Yo mama's so ugly. When she played Granny, she made Granny run away. Your mom is so evil. When you asked for pizza, she took you to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. Who loves pizza? I love pizza. Ready? No! No, 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 no! Run! Yo mama's so stupid! She thought bendy was a bendy straw. Yo mama's so evil. When she farts, toxic gas comes out. Haha, oh yeah. Bet you can't beat those atomic wings.
Breaking news. The entire city of Los Angeles is under evacuation.
This chemical attack on our country is... Yo mama's so fat. When she plays Undertale, the humans use her as the barrier. Yo mom is so tall. She made Slender Man frickin' jealous. Oh my god. legs are terrifying. Your mama's so stupid. She thought the demo-dog was an actual dog. Come here, fluffy puppy. Yo mama's so skinny. Slender Man thought she was Slender Woman. Oh no, 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 no. I think he likes you. Just keep him busy for a moment.
I'm a legend, not a folk tale, and definitely not a myth. I'll come out of the smoke, veil dimension, and force choke you like a Sith. Did I fail to mention I own these woods you call your own? You have now entered Slenderland. All dogs go to heaven, right? Wrong, little bitches go to Slender Man. I'm the silhouette you see standing in the fog. Yo, you leash, once we walk the dog. Chop off your legs, make you fast your own wrong. And there's no reason wolves don't hunt alone. Whenever you have nightmares, I'll be the one delivering them. You're famous for having a disorder. I'm famous for giving them.
What did you do to me that I wouldn't already do to myself? I ripped out all my fur and done some trail for my health. What happened to your face? Child neglect? You look like a scripted wooden project. I'd rather live tongue alone if the center is dead. I was raised by wolves, and by wolves you make crystal mad. You look like a waiter. You got me all nervous down here. If I say your name 3 times fast, will I get some service round here? You know this is your funeral. It's why you've chosen to dress in black. Once I throw you to the wolves, there won't be nothing to fall back.
Put me 6 feet deep, I'll still tower over you. I can kill you just by putting chocolate in your food. I'm the boy who cried wolf, you're a sheep wolf's threat. I go bump in the night, you go hump on a leg. Now hold still, this might hurt a little bit. You can howl with the moon, but the moon don't give a shit. You think you're insane? I'm not even hurtful. When I'm through, you'll be in a Sarah McLachlan commercial.
White man of Satan's had been killed in beings of hell are my children. I am the hoarder of horror, and you're just a boogeyman with an eating disorder. Your face is blank. What up, John Doe? I'll wait till you sight. Call me Van Gogh. I'm a psycho killer. I'm